Hi, I'm Paul Friedman. I'm the founder of the Marriage Foundation. The topic is this: what to do when there is no passion in your marriage. Now, when you say passion, do you mean sex? Probably. Doesn't have to be, though. The point is that there's something missing, isn't there? There's that connection that you had when you first fell in love. You found your soulmate, you fell in love, and your expectation was that it would just keep getting better and better. It should have. It's supposed to. But here's where people totally miss the point. What happens is people get married and they think that that's it. I said I do. He or she said I do. Everything should be fine. Well, I once got a car, beautiful car. I got it and I said, well, I wanted to go down to the bookstore. How come we're just sitting here? Someone said, well, you got to turn it on. Oh, okay. And then you got to drive. Oh, okay. So I turned it on. I drove it. And then after, I think it was 20,000 miles, the engine started making noise. What's going on? I brought it to a garage. Have you ever changed the oil? No. Why not? You're supposed to. Oh, okay. Here's the thing about marriage. We're not taught. Love is there, but we live in this world that is almost loveless, let's be honest. In your marriage, you have to be specially attentive to cultivating the love, the devotion, and then the passion comes as a manifestation of the love and the devotion. You see, passion doesn't just exist, it's a manifestation. It could be a manifestation of lust, but not in a marriage. In a marriage, it's a manifestation of love and devotion. So what do? Right? I basically gave you the overlay, but what do? You cultivate those. How? A little deeper than what could be fully covered in a video, but let me touch upon that. Because people who get our course, you could read our books, and it gives you a good overlay of marriage, and it tells you about the things you've been doing wrong and the things you should be doing right, which is more important. But the idea of cultivating love is so foreign to us. We're just not taught this. And you see, marriage is a spiritual thing. So cultivating love is spiritual. And it's not an emotion. It is from deep within. And we need to understand how it all works, that we are souls. We have a body. We have a mind. There's a hierarchy there. You don't have a soul. You are a soul. Not a religious discussion by any means. It's just what you are. And so what happens is we get caught up in the mind's living standards of life, which is all about self-defense. It's all about self-preservation, the drive to survive, because the body is saying, danger, danger, and the mind is going, I'll calculate it. And it overcalculates, and we don't pay attention to our spouse anymore. We're not developing that passionate love. Let's do it that way. Passionate love, devotion. Maybe that's another way of saying passionate love. And we have to. So it's a process. We have to start by understanding the mind, how it functions, how it works, just like having a computer, and not listening to it all the time, and going within and listening to the heart, and moving our lives with our love, because that's what we are. We're the soul. Soul is all about love. That's what it takes. You see? Then the idea of passion, it just is there. You don't even think about it, because the love is so beautiful. It's so overwhelming. And this is how we're training marriage counselors now. And this is how we're training them. Not to fix this and fix that. You can't fix passion. You can pretend, but you can't fix it. You have to go underneath it. And you have to create the love and devotion. And you can do that. You have free will. You have volition. You're a human being. And that's how it works. Not how it works best. It's how it works. I know it sounds so tough, doesn't it? But it's the truth. You see, we live in a mechanical existence. The cosmos has a mechanical component, and so does the spiritual progress that we make. There's mechanical components. So we're not just like a victim of the fates. You get it? All right. I'm Paul Friedman. I founded the Marriage Foundation. Hopefully you're a subscriber to this channel. If not, become one. Like the video, share the video on social media. Let's get the word out. You know, the Marriage Foundation is going to revolutionize how people see marriage. It's the way it's supposed to be seen. And we're here to make that happen. Join us. Take the course in marriage counseling. Become a marriage counselor too. You don't need a psych degree for that. In fact, it hurts so many people. All right, I got to let you go. God bless you. Thank you so much. See you again.